working on the Audi Q5 2015. It's a 2.0 turbo. What we're going to do today is a mass airflow sensor cleaner. Also bought the kit with a throttle body and air intake cleaner. We'll do that later. This will improve your gas mileage, and also it might give you a warning light that you need to eliminate. So for that, you have stock screws. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the sixth one is underneath right here. To reach that one, you need to remove the boot. But anyway, it's easier to remove that compartment. Once you open that, either replace your air filter or clean your air filter, blow that gently with an air compressor, and use a mass airflow sensor cleaner to clean the sensor that is right here. To which I already disconnected the electrical, but you see it goes as is. You have that little tab right here, so you just put that tab up, just wiggle the plug, just remove it. Put on the side. Okay, let's remove the boot and the fifth screw. Okay, just unscrew that, flat screwdriver or a bit. Just push that on the side, and then you can freely access that one that you're going to remove. That's number 6. You'll notice some moisture here at the full cleaning of the car. And I always do the engine compartment. Of course, being careful with all electric connection. There we go. You have the air filter that is in very good shape, like you can see. And the mass airflow sensor is right here inside. So I'm going to spray that. You want to spray that with a can, read the instructions, spray that with a can, let it air dry, and do that a couple of times. And if not fixing your issue, at least it should improve even just a tiny bit your gas consumption. If you don't want to remove the entire assembly, you can remove those 2 screws and slide it out, which might be easier to access properly the sensor. But at the time you're doing that, you want to take care of the air filter as well. Okay, just showing you, this is normally inserted inside. You have 2 other torque screws to remove. You can take that assembly outside or out. If you notice that one, to get the sensor out, you have those little knob inside. So if you don't have the right tool, you cannot take apart the mass airflow sensor. But to clean it, you can take that apart and put the straw in between the grid. You have a little red straw right here. Just put that in and spray that generously as per instructions. But if you need to replace the mass airflow sensor, then you will need the right one with that little hole in it. Okay, after shaking the can, insert the straw through the orifice and make sure you point at right into that hot wire or hot plate. They're saying like 10 to 15 squirt. Let it air dry, and it's supposed to increase your gas mileage, fuel economy, and also some HP apparently, obviously. So the way I will let that air dry, and I will do it again a second time just to make sure I got that completely. Okay, hope you like it. Same process to put it back together.